and testing. Okay, I have good experience in providing trainings in automation, different automation tools. I already provided to thousands of working professionals, even in our company and outside as well. Okay, so now this session, right, right. It won't be like a classroom session. It is going to be like right hands-on, practical oriented session. Okay, so in every session, right, you are going to do hands-on work. So that's how you are going to learn this Selenium. Okay, our ultimate goal is right at the end of this sessions, all these sessions, you should be able to ready to work in the project. Okay, so that's how this course contents are designed, and I hope it could help you. And right, if you feel any difficulty in understanding my sessions at any point of time, you can stop me. Okay, we can feel free to ask anything if you don't understand or if you feel anything difficulty. Okay, we can take time and discuss again. Okay, so that's good. Okay, before starting our session, may I get your introductions first? That means what is your background and in the testing field, and what is the knowledge, what level of knowledge you have in the programming, what programming languages you have, at least knowledge or experience, whatever you have. I would like to know.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you for introduction. It's awesome for your profile. So I'm Deepa. I have experience in manual testing with automation. I have in my project. I have 3 years of experience in IT industries.
Mhm.
So I know the basic of the Java and
Okay,
AP level, but um, I understand the depth in with the Selenium, so that's why I joined that course. So I would like to join that after the training. After I'm looking for the automation projects,
okay,
so
good.
that's why I'm joining this course.
Yeah, good, good, Deepa. Sumati.
Yeah, hi sir. Good evening. Nice to talk with you, and we are really appreciate and starting this class. I have experience in IT field 5 years. We
Okay.
were worked in Bank of Montreal. Web application only, so manual testing we
Mhm.
did, and not. I don't have a knowledge in any Java programming and other. This is the first experience.
Okay, okay, okay. Anandalakshmi. Hello, Anandalakshmi. Are you able to hear me?
Anantalakshmi, can you unmute and talk? Maybe your mic is on mute. Not sure, sir. I'm not sure about her audio.
Yeah, I think so. Now she is. Yeah. Yes,
Good evening,
Anandalakshmi.
sir.
You can go ahead.
Actually, I'm not able to hear anything.
Oh, please check your maybe audio settings are. Mm,
Can you hear Anantalakshmi now?
Hello.
We can hear you.
But she is trying to join in a mobile WhatsApp, so the laptop is something having issue.
Okay, just let's wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Then,
yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, she's asking.
Still Anandalakshmi not yet ready.
Yes, sir. She is checking. She gave a message to me in the WhatsApp.
Smriti, can we wait or can we continue?
Yeah, that's why, Priya. Can I call her and let you
Yeah,
know?
please check with her. Otherwise, we
Yeah,
can
sure.
continue the
We can
class.
start. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Priya, she can hear actually now.
Hi, Anathalakshmi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sorry. Actually, there's some problem with my this one audio thing.
No problem. Yeah,
Now
sir,
it,
you
it
can
got
continue.
cleared. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Anandalakshmi. Right
Hi,
before,
ma'am.
yeah.
That's
Uh, can you give me your introduction about your testing experience and do you have any experience in programming languages? Any
in,
programming languages?
basically I have completed my one second. Sorry, one second. Just getting echo. Sorry. Actually, I just entered through my mobile also, so getting echo from the both the side.
Okay,
Sorry for
okay,
the
okay.
problem created by me. Sorry. So this is Anatha Lakshmi.
Yeah,
Actually, I have completed my BE in 1990, sorry, 2000. So I have experience in a database side, like in Oracle and SQL Server. I worked on it. So I
okay.
had a break of 14 years. So after that, I thought like I have to update something. This.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay. Got it. Okay, okay, guys, just let me share my screen.
Okay.
So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is our course content and schedule. Okay. So we are going to have sessions weekly 2 days. So actually it is planned Saturday and Sunday, but right depends on our convenience, right? It can be changed, okay, to some other days as well. Okay.
Okay.
And so here I have given right detailed contents what we are going to cover in each session in each day. Okay, so we are going to have some around 12 to 13 sessions. It is a Selenium, it is a purely Selenium content, whatever, right, you are seeing here. See, if you don't have Java programming knowledge, basic knowledge also, okay, then I will try to cover, right, some of these topics as needed, right, while working on the Selenium scripting, while learning the Selenium scripting, wherever it is needed. I will try to give right basic knowledge on core Java concepts. I will try to write cover maximum as much as possible without disturbing our schedule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's better, right? If you can go through these concepts, I have given here the list of concepts that we should go through in core Java. You can go through it if you can find, if you can, I think so you can, you can find it easily, right? Uh, go through these topics if you can, and if you have any doubts also, right, you can reach me separately, you can reach me, or I think it would be better to have it separate session. That means if you have any uh, clarifications required on Java, okay, programming. Yeah, see here, see, core Java is right for automation testing. You need basic concepts, basic programming concepts. Okay, you no need to know the advanced topic concepts of Java, or you no need to be expert in the programming. Okay, okay, just if you know basics of programming concepts like data types, operators, control statements, loops. These are all right common concepts in any programming language. So if you know these concepts, and apart from that, in Java, OOPS concepts are important. Okay, so these are the OOPS concepts that you should have an idea. Okay, guys, these are the topics that you should try to learn. Maybe if you can find any source. Otherwise, right, you can reach me. If you have any doubt, we can discuss. I can try to clarify Java clarifications as well, but not maybe in this sessions. Okay, you can reach me separately, or if you want write separate session on Java, we can have separate session apart from these 13 sessions. Okay, guys. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, guys. Today, let us start with first session. Today, I would like to write to you guys to create first Selenium script. So for that, okay, before that, right, let me give you some introduction. What is the Selenium? What is this? What is a Selenium tool? See, Selenium tool is a automation testing tool. It is used to automate web applications. Okay, so web applications means what we automate in the web applications. We automate functional test cases. That means generally where we use automation testing in the software testing to perform smoke testing or regression testing, we use this automation testing. Okay, guys, that means suppose if you want to perform smoke testing, okay, we will use automation testing to execute your smoke test cases whenever you get a new build. First, we perform smoke testing on that build to ensure that that build is in ready to test. That means that build is working fine. So that means we can continue testing on that build to ensure that first we have to do some smoke testing to make sure that the basic functionalities are working good on that particular application, so that we can further proceed with the actual testing. So that is smoke testing, right? See, this smoke testing, we execute on every build. Is it right? See, whenever you get a new build, first testing that we perform on that build is smoke testing, right? The testing team. That means whenever you get a build, the smoke test cases should be executed. Is it right? By the testing team. That means if you see that in any or test in any or any project, okay, how many builds you will be getting? That depends upon the development life cycle that they are following, right? So if it is an agile model, so in agile life cycle projects, so every 2 weeks once we'll be getting a build. Is it right? Every 2 weeks once a sprint will be completed, and in every sprint will be getting a new build. So whenever you get a new build, first thing that we should have to execute smoke test cases. So that means on every build we perform the smoke test cases and again repeatedly. Is it right? So if you do these smoke test cases manually, suppose assume that if there are some 50 test cases in the smoke test suite, so these 50 test cases should be executed every time whenever we get a build, right? So to execute these 50 test cases, right, if you do these test cases execution manually, it may take some time around, okay, assume that if one resource executes these 50 test cases, he may take, right, one day, 1 day effort to complete all 50 test cases execution manually. That means 8 hours of time. Okay, we can take manual execution. But if you perform automation execution, That means if you run these smoke test cases using automation scripts, how much time it will take? It will take,
1 or 2 minutes.
yeah, just right. It can be finished within minutes of time or within maximum 1 hour of time. It can finish all 50 test cases execution through automation scripts execution. So that much faster automation execution always, right? So here we can save a lot of time, effort. So that is the main benefit that we get from the automation or testing. Is it right? Similarly, right, another testing where we use automation testing is regression testing, right? Most frequently. Why we are using automation testing in the regression testing? So regression testing also testing where we perform or where we execute the test cases to ensure that okay, already working functionalities are not impacted by the code changes done by the developer in the current build. Is it right? That means that the code changes should not impact already existing functionalities in the application. That means you should not introduce new defects already in the functionalities which is already working fine. So that we have to make sure that is a regression testing, right? So the regression test suite should be generally it will be big one, not like a smoke test suite. The smoke test suite should be smaller in size, maybe maximum 50 test cases. It may right it may have in size, but when you come to the regression test suite, it may contain 1,000 test cases or 2,000 test cases also in some projects. That depends on the project, but definitely it will be hundreds or thousands of cases. It may have in its suite. So to complete this regression test cases execution manually, it will take a lot of effort, right? It may take days, number of days or weeks time. Sometimes if the regression suite is big, it may take weeks time as well. Is it right? So but again, this regression testing also should be executed on in every sprint, if it is agile or if it is other any waterfall model or any other V model development life cycle. There also we need to run this regression testing in every release. Is it right? So this to complete this regression test cases manually, it will take weeks of time. But if you use automation testing here, it can be completed within 2 days or 3 days maximum. So we can save a lot of effort, execution effort, right, in the regression test execution by using automation testing. So these are the major areas where we use automation testing most frequently. Okay, guys. So now, so to automate these test cases, manual test cases, we are using different automation tools available in the market. Okay. So previously there was a QTP or UFT tool, most frequently used tool, but now Selenium become more popular. Nowadays, we are using Selenium tool to automate any web applications. So by using this Selenium tool, we can automate only web applications. We can't automate our desktop applications. Okay, that is one limitation in the Selenium tool. But it is an open source tool. So anybody can use this tool. It is freely available. We can download it and we can use it to automate our application or project. Okay. See, what is Selenium tool? Is it, see, Selenium tool is not a single tool, right? It contains, different components in this Selenium tool. Selenium WebDriver, it is called Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is not a single tool. Okay, it is a set of multiple tools, we can say. Selenium is not a just one tool. Okay, see, this is the main component in the Selenium tool, WebDriver, that is called WebDriver. See, what is this WebDriver is? So this WebDriver is the main component in the Selenium, which is used to automate our web application. That means this WebDriver contains some set of API commands. By using these API commands, we can automate our browser application in the browser. And another component is IDE. See, in the Selenium, there is one IDE, that means GUI interface is available in the Selenium, that is called Integrated Development Environment. It is called GUI, tool GUI. So using this GUI, we can record our user actions on the application, and it will record the actions, whatever you perform on the application, it will generate the script automatically using this IDE. But in the real-time projects, we don't use this IDE to generate the script, okay? We will be writing the script manually. That's how we create real-time automation scripts in the real-time projects. We don't use this tool, but there is a tool available in the Selenium WebDriver that is called IDE. So using this IDE, we can record our user actions and we can generate the Selenium script automatically. So that is available. That feature is available. And another component is grid, or it is called Selenium server. Server or grid, it is called. And we use this grid or server to run our automated test cases or automation scripts on multiple missions on different operating systems or with different browsers. Okay, if you want to run your automation scripts on different operating systems or on different browsers, so we need to run these automation scripts on different missions with the different operating systems and with the different browser settings. So in that scenario, we use this grid component. Okay, so these are the three main components the Selenium tool consists of. WebDriver. So WebDriver is the main part. It is nothing but a set of API commands. By using these API commands, we create our Selenium script. And IDE, IDE is a user interface. Using this user interface, we can record our user actions on the application, and it will generate the script automatically. That is the IDE. And another important component in the Selenium is grid. It is called grid or Selenium server. What is the use of this Selenium server or grid? To run your test cases on different machines across with the different platforms or with the different browsers. We use this grid tool. Guys, clear up to here? The Selenium is a
Yeah.
web application automation tool. It is not a single tool. Okay, it consists of three different components: WebDriver, IDE, grid. These are the three main components. Okay. So the next one, see that some terminologies in the Selenium that we should know. So API, that means WebDriver contains API commands, right? So these are the API commands we use in the Selenium scripting to automate our user actions on the application. And next, library. Library means this Selenium tool supports different programming languages. That means we can create Selenium script using different programming languages. We will come to that point. Okay, different languages we can use: Java, we can use Python, we can use C#, we can use or Ruby, we can use like this. So it supports different languages. Whatever the language that you feel comfortable, you can use that language to create your Selenium script. So what is this library is? See, for each language, there is a different set of libraries that we need to use with the Selenium tool. That means, suppose if I want to create a Selenium script using Java, I need to add Java libraries related to Selenium tool. There are some dependent library files for each language that we are using. So that is called libraries. It is a programming language dependent. If you are using Java language, we need to add Java language dependent libraries. And if you are using Python, then we should use that Python language dependent libraries to our Selenium tool or to our project. Okay, so that is called library. And driver, there is one more thing is called driver. Driver means WebDriver is different, driver is different. Don't get confusion. So WebDriver is Selenium WebDriver. We are calling Selenium tool as a Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So in WebDriver is the main component inside the Selenium tool. So this driver is not part of the Selenium tool. It is outside of Selenium tool. So what is this driver is? See, the Selenium tool supports different browsers. That means, suppose if you are using Chrome browser to run your application, okay, you can run your application with a different browser as well, right? Not only on the Chrome. You can open your application on Edge or on Firefox or on Safari or Opera, or with like this different browsers we can use to open your application. So you need to test your application all these browsers. Is it right? So if you are using Chrome browser, then you need Chrome driver. You understand? To automate application on the Chrome browser, you need this Chrome driver. Similarly, if you are using Firefox browser, then you need Firefox driver. So for each browser, there is a separate driver is available. So we need to use that driver. So this driver is browser dependent. Okay. So WebDriver is different, driver is different. This driver we are talking about, right? There is something dependent exe file application. We can say it is application exe file. This driver is different for each browser that we are using to test our application. Okay, and another one is framework. That means, say we created our multiple automation scripts. Okay, for example, you have 1,000 regression test cases. So we are automating all these 1,000 regression test cases, right, using Selenium. So there should be some framework in place to organize your all automated scripts in such a way that all these scripts can be maintained easily. That means to make these all automated scripts maintenance, to make it easy, okay, to make it easy to develop the scripts and even to maintain the scripts and easy to report our results, or easy to debug the scripts if there is any issue. So to make it simple, we should have to organize our automated scripts systematically. So that is called framework. That means we need to use some framework in our Selenium project to organize all our Selenium scripts and all the other right all other files that we are using in the project. We should have to manage and organize them in systematic way. So that is called framework. Okay. So these are all different things that we use in our Selenium project. So API means that we discussed, it is a WebDriver API commands, and library means, see, along in this Selenium WebDriver, we need to add these libraries. Okay, what is this libraries? This Selenium tool supports different languages. So for each language, there is a set of libraries, dependent libraries for Selenium tool. So we need to add those libraries to the Selenium project, depends upon the programming language that we are using. Okay. So another one is driver. Driver is a browser dependent, and for each browser, there is a separate driver available, and we need to add that driver as well. We need to we need that driver to run your automation scripts, Selenium scripts. Without driver, you can't run your automation scripts. It will fail. Okay, it is one dependency. Driver is to run your automation scripts. Next, framework. The framework also one important thing in our Selenium project that we use. What is the purpose of framework? To manage all your automated scripts properly, and to configure a test environment, to run your all automation scripts in a batch mode, one by one in a sequence, or in parallel execution. So we can organize our entire automation project using this framework. So these are different technologies that we use here. Now let us see here. Let us understand high level. What is this Selenium tool? How it works? Yeah. See here. We have browser inside a system. See, for each browser there is one driver. Driver just now we discussed, right? That is a driver. Then here it is Selenium WebDriver. All these components are in the same system. So we have the browser. For every browser, there is one driver we should have. Okay. And then WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver. So how Selenium WebDriver, when you run your automation script, how it executes a test case on this browser. See here, WebDriver is nothing but set of Selenium script, Selenium commands. Now this Selenium commands, right, will be interacting with this driver, and this driver will control the application, will control the browser. That means it will execute the action, whatever is defined here. So this driver will run that particular specific action on this browser application. So that is how, right, the architecture, that's how the Selenium works. So this is Selenium WebDriver, first one. So this Selenium WebDriver is nothing but, right, using Selenium WebDriver commands, we are creating Selenium script. So that is Selenium script, we can assume. So when you run that Selenium script, so that commands will be sent to this driver, and this driver will perform that specific action on this browser. All of you clear? So the relation between browser, driver, and Selenium WebDriver, how it is. See, if you see this next figure, see here, we have one more component here. Between WebDriver, there is here a remote WebDriver. See, driver, and there is one more remote WebDriver. See, driver and remote WebDriver both are similar. See, the driver will be used if the browser is in the same browser and WebDriver both are in the same system. That means if the browser is in the same system, then we use driver. That means it is a local system. The browser is in the same system where WebDriver is available. So in that case, we are using here driver. Suppose the browser is in different system, WebDriver is in different system. Both are in two different systems. You got it? So then how this script will interact with this browser, which is right available in remote system. Then we need here remote WebDriver. Instead of driver, we use this remote WebDriver. Again, this remote WebDriver internally interact with the main driver for this browser. Okay. Similarly here. So here remote WebDriver and browser both are in the same system here, but WebDriver is in different system. Okay, here. Sorry. Yeah. And in this architecture, you can see here remote driver also in the different system, not in the system where browser is available. So in that case, grid will come to the picture here. So the grid component, what we discussed. Okay. So, okay, guys, you don't worry about all these things if you don't understand. Okay, it's not just, it is high level, right? For high level understanding, I'm showing you these diagrams. Okay, if you get any confusion, don't worry. It's not okay. You can understand that, right? When you get into that Selenium script creation and execution, all those stuff. Okay, don't worry. So all of you clear? You have any questions?
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay.
It's clear, sir. It's clear.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, see, this is how that's what is Selenium, guys. Okay, what is Selenium? Yeah. See, now let us start with right how to start working with Selenium first. See, to start with Selenium, first we need to install a few things in your system. We have to make it ready. See, first thing is we have to download these certain things. You can go to this page. So all of you first install Java in your machines, in your laptops.
Yes.
Java is available.
Yeah, Java.
Okay, if not available, please install Java in your machines first. And also install Eclipse. If you don't have Eclipse in your system, you can install that. Simply write what you can do. I will show you here. Go to the browser. Just Google. Just simply search Java download. Yeah, you can go to this Oracle or Java download anything, and simply install here. See Java 24 latest version, JDK 24. You can install it. Okay, and similarly you can write search for Eclipse download. I can install latest version of Eclipse. Go to Eclipse download, and here you can install this one 2025.3, or it is the latest version. You can download it, and first complete this Eclipse and Java installations. Okay, you can do it now, right now. Okay, and let me know once you finish and once you have these two things are installed already. Just ping me in the chat, okay, once you completed Eclipse installation and Eclipse and Java installations.
Sorry for the interrupt. Already I have installed in Selenium with Eclipse
Okay,
with the
good.
Selenium
Okay,
in
good.
my system.
Others, Sumati and Anantalakshmi.
I have it actually, the Eclipse only I'm trying to fixing
Okay.
now.
Actually, I'm not. I'm unable to. I'm unable to install, sir. Now, actually, I think it's a word thing.
What's happening?
I'm getting how to download and install Java JDK without login to Oracle. Is that okay?
Without?
Hello.
Yeah, can you share me your screen?
Yeah, one second.
See, now you can share.
Yeah.
See, if you have older version, also you can upgrade that one, Java and Eclipse as well.
Yeah, I think I can do it in my laptop instead of this, I think.
Yeah, in laptop only you should do that. Very well.
I've shared my screen.
Yeah.
When I try to download,
Yeah, Java download, not Oracle. Remove Oracle, just Java download.
I just tried in a different one. So I'm just getting this screen only.
Mm,
Download Java.
mm.
Just okay.
Windows, scroll down.
This one. Windows Online.
No. Wait. Windows offline.
Windows Offline. So the second one.
Okay. 64-bit or you,
This one.
your laptop is 64-bit only, right? It should be mostly 64-bit.
Yes.
Yeah, click that one. Is it downloaded?
Yeah, it's getting down. Yeah, I have successfully installed Java.
Is it installed? Okay.
Yeah. Install Java now. The next Eclipse. Huh? Then how to
Yeah,
check whether it has been installed or not?
go to command prompt and check the Java version. In the command prompt, just type Java space hyphen version. Have you opened command prompt, Anandalakshmi?
Yes, sir.
In the command prompt, just type Java space hyphen version. No, I could not see
And
command prompt window.
now,
Go
showing
to
active this option. Java
no,
hyphen version. No?
Java space hyphen version.
This was Java version 1.80451.
1.80. Okay.
0451.
Yeah, okay. Can you go to once your program files folder
Yeah.
in your system?
Yeah, program files.
In the program files, Java folder. In the Java folder, Is there JDK folder?
I didn't see that. Maybe the program files.
Inside program file 64, I think so.
Ah,
In C drive, program files 64 folder.
Java.
Yeah, Java, inside Java folder. Is there JDK folder?
JRE and latest is there.
Okay, JDK folder is not there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So again,
Latest, I have one latest. In that also there is only JRE 1.8.
okay, fine. Let us see. Fine. If you get any issue, we'll see that JDK may be installed automatically, I
Okay.
assume. If not installed, we can download it later if there is an issue. Okay, then go download Eclipse. Yeah, you click on second link 25 to 202503 or yeah. Install for Windows 64. No, in the top. Download, yeah, there.
Thank you for your download. I'll check whether it's downloaded. It's downloaded.
Okay, see that, is it a zip file or a exe file? Zip file, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, unzip that file. You place
Eclipse
it
also
in,
it's EXE only, so.
yeah, okay, exe means run that exe. Install that. Okay, so first thing is that, yeah, now can you give me, make me as a host, Anant Lakshmi? Now you are in host.
Okay.
1 second, can I take that?
I just will stop sharing.
Yeah, stop sharing and okay, I'm able to share, no problem. Yeah. Yeah, okay guys. Now in the installation, we have to download, right, Selenium downloads. Now we downloaded Java and Java is installed and Eclipse is downloaded and it should be installed, okay? And after that now, we have to Selenium downloads. Go to the Selenium page. Please go to this page. I will ping you this URL. Go to this page, all of you. So in the chat, I'm sharing this link. Go to this page. See, I will open that page in my system. You can see here. Okay, we are in this page now. And now here, see that now we are going to use Java language, okay, to create Selenium scripts. So we need to download Java libraries. So this is the Java library link. Click this link. If you click this link, it will download a zip file, I guess. Okay, go to the downloads folder. I'm placing it in the downloads folder. Yeah, download this Java library files from this by clicking this link. Once download is completed, go to your downloads folder and see this one. Okay, now you can unzip this one into some folder, right? You can create what is that one, somewhere Selenium folder, and inside that Selenium folder you can create one folder called dependencies. We have to unzip this one. Okay, we have to unzip it. I'm unzipping this file here. I'm unzipping here, extract all. Yeah, once it is unzipped, yeah, these are all library files. Okay, jar files for Java language dependency files, all these files. So what we should do, you can copy this folder and you can create somewhere in your machine, anywhere. Here I created, say that Selenium dependencies, and there you can place that folder, copy that folder inside dependencies. All of you got it?
Yes, fine.
Yeah. First download this, then unzip that folder. After unzipping, just you move that folder to some drive in your system with Selenium and dependencies folder. So this is the first thing we need to download from this page. Download Java libraries. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it created? Yeah. Inside Selenium dependencies folder, you can move that folder. Okay. Unzipped folder. So all of you that. So next you have to download the next dependency thing, important thing. Say this one, Selenium server. So this contains WebDriver. Okay. It contains three components actually. WebDriver, IDE. No, IDE is different component. Yeah, IDE is different component. WebDriver and grid both will be there inside this one, Selenium server. Just click this one, 4.31.0. It is the latest version, current version. Selenium WebDriver version 4.31.0. You can click on this link. You can also, after downloading, see that it will download a exe file application into downloads folder. See, it is application, no, jar file. It is a jar file. Simply move this jar file into the dependencies folder after downloading. Once this jar file is downloaded, move this file into dependencies folder. It is second thing that we should download. Selenium server. Selenium server or grid. Next, we have to download driver. Driver for browser. Which browser you want to use to run your automation scripts? So for that browser, you should have to download driver. So that is available here in the same page. Here you can see. Yes, here it is Internet Explorer driver. If you want to use Internet Explorer browser, then you can use this link to download that driver. Uh, Otherwise, you can go to other drivers. For other browse, for other drivers, where we can go. Change lock, okay, Selenium.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Once done that your
Hmm.
explanation, I have shared my screen in Selenium.
Yeah,
I got a error, some Chrome driver error. So latest version I didn't upload. Could you help me?
no, which one you downloaded? Share me your screen.
Yeah, yeah. Give me a minute. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, 1 second. No, not it. Have you shared the screen?
Yeah. 1 second.
Deeper, right? 1 second.
I'll stop the screen. Yeah, 1 second. I'm start the screen.
Important update is we have a product complete for vulnerability fix and that is critical. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, now we can see. Yeah, now
So
what you downloaded?
yeah, already I downloaded and run the program for some Chrome driver. So Chrome drivers got error from the latest versions. I don't know.
Have you already downloaded driver Chrome driver for Chrome browser? Is it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Just wait. I'm also looking for that from what is the link where we can check that. 1 second.
So I think
Chrome browser, right? Well, this is
yeah.
documentation. Yeah,
So
WebDriver.
latest version I think is Chrome drive 135, 136 something yesterday. Last night I checked that version. But I able to run this
Run the
program.
script. Okay.
Yeah. For example, I'll show you. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Mm, I could not see your Eclipse.
Oh,
Yeah, now not
no?
it. Not it. 1 second. One blank screen is there.
I got restrictions, that's why.
Yeah, 1 second. I think so. Yeah, now I got it. Now I got that one. Okay. Mhm. Chrome version is 1034 running. Please update to Selenium. What is
Yeah.
that message saying? No, right?
So yeah, I'm able to run the program, but is got the versions is
CDP
134.
version 34,
Yeah.
returning the, okay. Selenium version that supports CDP version 134. What is the
Yeah.
versions of Selenium you have?
I think one long
More?
back I updated.
No, that's why you have to do update everything to latest versions, Selenium server, Java, and everything. That would make right better. That would avoid any issues because right, if you have old version script or anything, that may not support with the latest versions of Chrome browser or
Okay.
sometimes latest version of a Selenium drive, Selenium also, Selenium server also may not support some old version scripts. We may have to do
Okay.
some changes.
Okay. That's in that case, I have uninstalled the Selenium and
No, no, not
updated
uninstallation. Simply remove these Selenium references, right? Whatever you added, Selenium reference files.
library.
No, not that JRE. In the reference libraries, you can remove all these things. Go to Java build path, right click on the project, right click on your project name. Yeah, right click, project
One sec.
name, Selenium learnings.
Oh, no, I tried, but it's not working.
Yeah, right click, not right clicking.
Yeah, right click.
No, why?
Yeah, I,
Yeah. No, you can go to Java properties, where's project properties window. There you can find Java build path. There you have to remove all these reference library files.
okay. I will try later. Okay.
Yeah,
Here.
otherwise instead of that you can create new project from the scratch. You can do. Don't worry. Remove the leave this project. Create a new project.
Okay.
Okay, that
That's
will do
good.
that. Okay, I will come to that step next. Okay, once let us download all the dependencies, then we'll go to that step. We will create a project from the scratch. Okay.
Okay. Then file
Yeah,
new class. That's
yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, we'll create a new project itself. Just wait. Let us complete first downloads of other dependent downloads
okay. No, no,
by
just
others.
mask machines. Okay, sir. You
Yeah,
carry on.
okay. Selenium IDE, Chrome latest version should be available. Okay, guys, so we can do can think go to Google. Guys, now 1 second. Let me share my screen. You can see my screen, right? Yeah, see guys, now we downloaded Java and Eclipse, and now we are on in this page, Selenium downloads page. And in this page, we already download Java libraries and we downloaded Selenium server. And now we are going to download driver for Chrome browser. Okay. See for that, you go to this Google. Now search for Chrome web driver. Sorry, Chrome driver, not web driver, just Chrome driver. Chrome driver download. See here, you can see downloads Chrome driver. Click on this. Now click on this. If you are using Chrome version 1.15 or newer, click on this. So you please check your Chrome browser version in your systems before downloading driver. Open your
Yeah,
Chrome browser.
that's good, sir. That's why I got an error from my
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
open
yeah, yeah,
sources. So
yeah.
I
Check.
put that in the chat box, Chrome/versions. Could you check and download, sir? That's good.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, first you go to this, check this Chrome version of your system. Okay, Chrome browser
Yeah,
version. You
okay.
check it here. What is this version? I have 135. Is the
35. Okay.
I have okay. So we have to click this link. You see, if you have if your browser Chrome browser version is 115 or greater, then you have to click this link to download the driver. Okay. See,
Okay.
up to version 114, you can find the driver link here itself. Okay, if your Chrome browser is version 115 or later, newer, greater, then you should click this link. Now here you can find, see, 135 version, latest version, stable driver for 135. So you please upgrade your Chrome browser. If your Chrome browser is not 135, version 135, you can upgrade it to latest version. Simply go to here, help, about Google Chrome. See, you can click this relaunch or something. If it is not updated automatically, it will automatically upgrade your Chrome browser to the latest version. Okay, to make sure that you have latest version of Chrome browser in your system. Then come here and click this link. We have to download a driver for Chrome browser version 135. Click this. See here, Windows 64, right? We need for Windows 64, not Chrome. It is a Chrome browser link, installation link. We need Chrome driver link. Okay, this one we have to download, Chrome driver for Win64. So copy this link and paste it in the browser. So it will download this zip file. Guys, see that I'm downloading this one, Chrome driver Win64 link. Copy this link and paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it in the new window. See, it will download. See, it is downloading that zip file. Save it, done. Okay, all of you, please download this latest version of Chrome driver. First, make sure that your Chrome browser is upgraded to the latest version. Then download this 135 version 135 Chrome driver.
Okay.
See, it is very important. Whatever the version of your Chrome browser or any browser, the same compatible driver should be available in your system to run your automation scripts from Selenium. That means the browser driver and the browser version, both version should be compatible each other. Suppose if you have older version of driver and Chrome browser is a newer version, then it won't support. It will fail. Or vice versa. Okay. Yeah. Once you downloaded that one, move that file as well. It is a zip file. See that where is that zip file? Chrome driver 113, I guess. Latest one. Yeah, Chrome driver. This one is not this one. Downloads folder. Yeah, sorry. It is this one is downloaded. You can unzip that file, extract all. So it is extracted. And see inside that, just simply you have to copy only this file, guys. No need to copy. You can copy this folder as well, no problem. If you want Chrome driver Win64, you can copy, or you can copy directly this one. It's better you can copy with this folder, and you can rename this folder with the version number. What is the version number? It is 135 version, right? So that we can easily identify this driver is version 135 using this folder name. Because we can't modify this file name, so we should have to give that version number in the folder name to easily identify which version of this driver. Okay, so like this, you can rename this folder name to Chrome driver -135, then move this folder to dependencies folder. Okay, all of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, so now you go to Eclipse, open Eclipse, and create a new Java project. Go to File, New Java project. See, I'm creating new Java project simply for testing. Give any name, or you can give proper name, Selenium training something. I already given that name. That's why I'm not using that name here. I'm using different test name. And here you please check this uses project specific GRE. See, I selected JDK 24. See, if this JDK 24, if it is not already available, you can download it actually, JDK from the Google. JDK download, okay? You can download it. Go to Java downloads. See, Oracle, you can go to here, I think. So here you can download it easily.
But I have JDK 23. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay. I think so. 23 also may be fine. No issues.
Open source is available JDK 23.
Yeah, that's fine. No issues. Where is this JDK downloads? For desktops. No, 1 second, yes, not JDK. Give simply Java download. You can find, go to this Oracle link. I think here you can find see Java 24. Directly you can see that. You can install this one. JDK 24. You have to click this link. So here you have to select Windows. Click this link. Okay. JDK 24 will be installed. If it is not available, guys, okay. You have to select, simply search with Java download. See that again, I'm doing this. Just simply Java download and select here Oracle link, oracle.com. See here in the first page, you can see Java 24. Go to Windows and then you can download this one. Okay. And once you download this JDK, see that I'm showing you here, I'm downloading this, save it to downloads folder, and it is downloaded. Now, if I go to downloads folder, see here, it is exe file. Okay, then we have to run this one. If it is exe file, if it is zip file, you can unzip that file and you can move it into JRE folder, wherever JRE is installed, right? Inside Java folder in the program files, there you have to move it. If it is a zip file, if it is exe file, you have to run it to install JDK, okay? Fine. See now, once you select here the specific JRE, I am selecting here JDK 24. You can also try with the JRE 1.8. And if you get any compilation issues, then you can see that. Then you can try to select JDK, guys, no problem. If you don't have JDK, now try with the JRE if it is already installed in your system, okay? Now click this finish. I'm giving test project is the project name. I'm finishing it, it's done. So new project is created. Okay, I will close this. So once new project is created, the first step, see here, JRE system library is there, SRC folder is created. See, we created simple Java project, okay? We have to select here file, new simple Java project. I have selected. So I created a simple Java project, and there you can find two folders created, JRE system library and SRC folder. So now inside select this project folder and now right click, go to new package. We have to create a package. So what is this package in the Java? Package is nothing but a folder, I can say, okay? That means I can group multiple Java files using this package. So here I'm creating, all right, Selenium package name I'm giving, any name you can give. Okay, I'm using Selenium as the project package name. Finish it. Say that here you can see Selenium folder is created here. Okay, once you create a package, you select this package. Now we have to create a class inside this package. So what is this class? Okay guys, see that let me give you a brief introduction about Java and what is the class. Okay, once we create the project, then I will try to give you introduction about Java if you have any doubts. See guys, now I'm going to create a class inside this package. Right click on this package, go to new, select here class. So here the class name, I'm going to give my first script. My first script is the class name. My first script is the class name. It don't change anything here. Leave it default selected options. Okay. See inside this class, I want to create. If you want to create a main method, you can select this checkbox. So what will happen? It will create a main method inside this class automatically. So select this checkbox. Public static void main. So this is a method in the Java class. Now finish that. Now see that the class is created with the name first underscore script dot Java. So this is the file name. And inside that file, you can see that this file is created inside this package. Okay. That means this class is created inside this package, Selenium package. Then what is the class name? First underscore script. You can see, you can observe one thing here. The class name and the file name, both are same. You got it. That means whatever the class name you are defining, so it will create a Java file with the same class name. So that's why it creates a Java file with the same name of the class, first underscore script with extension .java. So this is a Java file, and this Java file name and the class name inside that Java file both are same always. And this class is a public class. That means only public class name should be same as file name, not any other classes. There are different classes, public class, private class, like that. If this class is a private class, that private class name should not be the file name. Okay, only public class name should be the file name. Okay, so this is how the class is created in the Java file, in the Java package Selenium. Now inside this class, there is one method created automatically by selecting the checkbox. If you don't select that checkbox, you have to write this code manually. Okay, so remove it. Yeah, see what is this method? Main method. So this is the method. Okay, from which point, okay, the Java program execution will be started. See, inside this class, I can write a Java program. I can write a Java code, a big Java code. But if you want to run, whenever you run this class, Java class, it starts its execution from this method. So inside this class, I can write multiple methods, many methods I can write, whatever I want. I can define multiple methods and I can write the code like this. Okay. But whenever you run this class, it starts execution of this class from this method. So this is the first method that will be executed when you run this class. All of you clear? So that is called main method. So always the main method should be defined in this syntax, using this syntax: public static void main is the name of the method, and this is the called argument. That means input that we are passing to this method. Okay guys, I will explain you a little bit later, right? What is this method, what is this class, and what is this package? Okay, what is these things, public, static, void, all these things. Okay, these are all Java programming language related. okay, keywords, and what is the use of main, void, static, public, and main, all these things, right? I will explain you, don't worry. So this is how the first Java program we should create, okay? Once you create this main method, now just let us check that this Java method or Java program is running or not first. First, make sure that this Java program is running good. That means the Java setup is done properly with this in this Eclipse or not. So for that, just simply write system dot out dot print line. Just give some message, anything. This is the first script or first Java program. Okay, first Java program. So this is just a method. This what it will do. The statement. See, every Java statement should end with semicolon. Okay, it is a mandatory. Every Java statement should end with semicolon. Okay, and one more important thing, this Java is a case sensitive language. That means, see, this is a Java command. Okay, it is a Java statement. What is this Java statement? System.out.println is a Java statement. See, in this Java statement, system, S should be capital, O should be small, P should be small. Suppose if I change this case from capital to small, see that it will throw error. So that is a case sensitive. That means if that command, Java command or statement should begin with a capital letter, it should begin with capital. Otherwise, it will throw error. Okay. See, now it is a system.out.println. Now it is that error is gone. So if I change this small case case of this letter upper to small, it is showing error because in the Java, every Java statement is a case sensitive. That means if that statement is defined with the capital letter in the Java program, you should write it as it is. You can't change that, right? Uppercase letters to lower, lower to case upper like that. It won't allow. Okay. So now system.out.println. So just simply it will print this message in this console. See here, there is a console window below. Here it will print this message if I run this program. Just make sure that this program is running fine and this message is displaying here in your systems. Just simply click this run button. See, for me, it is working fine. For to all of you, is it working fine? Any issues you are facing? So first you make sure that you opened Eclipse and created a new Java project and create a package inside SRC folder and create a class. Then inside that class, create main method and just simply add one simple Java statement, print line statement, and run this program. Click this run button and check that that message is printed in the console window. Or are you getting any error? Please let me know. All of you done? Just ping me in the chat if you're done. If there is no issues.
Sorry, actually,
Uh,
I haven't installed properly. I think I was following your this thing.
uh-huh. Just show me that. Okay, if you are facing any issues, please let me know. Why?
Sorry,
Because
actually, I have downloaded everything.
okay.
I have placed in the
Mhm,
one new folder. I created one folder Selenium main, and I placed that extract on that.
mhm,
So that one I did.
mhm. You are sharing the screen?
One second, just checking for that Eclipse.
Have you opened Eclipse? In the Eclipse, have you created this project? And
I'm unable to open. Can I play in my a
Mhm.
different folder and I'll check?
No, share me your screen first. Let me see what's going wrong.
Okay. I haven't installed.
There's Deepa and Sumati. Have you done it?
Not, sir. Trying.
I'm working
Okay.
on, sir. Give me a minute.
Yeah, should take your time and finish it. Okay. And if any
Yeah,
issues, let us fix it immediately. That's why, because all of you, right, should be able to do hands-on right immediately. That's what I want to.
yeah. So,
I'll share my resume.
Yeah, share me the screen. So all of you now you get that process, right? Step by step process, what to do.
Can I share my screen? I'm unable to share my screen now.
Yeah, Anantalakshmi, have you completed all downloads?
I've downloaded,
Okay.
but
Okay, well, now see that. Wait, once you downloaded, have you opened Eclipse?
unable to open it actually. I
Eclipse is
have
not.
run the exe file, no?
Yeah, yeah. You have to once you download the Eclipse, you have to run that exe file, right?
Just
After downloading Eclipse exe file, you should execute that, run that.
it's asking me some Eclipse ID for Java developers like that. When I try to execute that file,
Okay,
it's opening another screen, Eclipse installer.
okay.
Oh,
Hmm. Continue.
yeah. Like, should I click on the Eclipse ID for Java developers?
Hmm. Yeah,
Eclipse Foundation Software. Accept.
yeah. You continue that execution installation.
Very slow.
Sir, I am trying to run the script, but I am getting something error. I could not understand that one.
Yeah. 1 second. Can you share the screen?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes.
No, system out dot. 1 second. There is no GRE also here.
Yeah, JDK is actually missing, but I downloaded here. 1 second.
Where you place that? You execute that JDK exe file?
Yes, sir. Here.
You execute run that one. Okay. Okay, you go to C drive program files. Let us see that JDK folder is there or not.
Okay.
C program files 66, 86.
Okay.
Or Java. GRE is there. Okay, go to C program files and check that is there.
Just program files.
Open program files.
Okay.
Java. Yeah, here it is there. JDK 23.
Okay.
I think so. You can move this folder into
Okay.
64. Copy that one. Copy that and go to program files 86 folder.
Yeah, okay.
No, go back in C drive. Yeah, 86 and Java. No, not here. Go to Java folder
Okay. Okay.
and here paste it.
Continue.
Yeah, continue.
Okay.
Yeah, open that JDK 23 folder. Yeah, okay, open bin. Copy that folder path, bin path. Yeah, click on that bin in the, yeah,
yeah.
there, copy that. Now go to start, type env, edit system environment variables.
Edit system.
First option,
This one? Yeah.
first one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that one only. Okay.
Environment system.
Go
Set.
to environment variables.
Okay.
Below path, click on path variable.
This one, sir?
Below.
This one? Okay.
Yeah. Edit, click edit. JDK is there already. C program files, Java, JDK 23 bin. Okay. Okay, add this path also, no problem. Click new.
Okay.
Paste it.
Okay.
Okay, and okay. Okay. Now do one thing. Go to your okay. Click OK. Don't.
Okay.
Now go to Eclipse. Restart your Eclipse once,
Okay.
and then go to your project.
Can I do exit and
Restart.
again?
Click restart. There is a restart, right?
Okay. So can I choose anything here? Okay.
Save it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now right click on the project. test project.
Test project.
In the left side, there is a sample test and test project folder, right? Right click, go to
Okay.
properties, last,
Properties. Okay.
go to compiler, Java compiler, left side. Yeah, Java compiler. Here, you unselect this checkbox.
This one, sir.
That one.
Everything.
No,
Okay.
no, for second one. Yeah.
Mm.
1 second. $18 is there. Select, click on the drop down. 18 is there, right? 18 drop down. Okay, unselect
18.
unselect this checkbox as well.
This
Next
one
two,
or this one?
next two, next two.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. 1 second. Features for Java. Okay, in the 18 drop down, in the first drop down, click on that.
This one,
No,
sir.
drop
This
down.
one, sir.
Drop down. 18.
I could not see.
18 is there. See that
Here
18.
only.
18 in the right side. Right side. Move right side.
Okay, here.
No.
Java 18.
No more. See
Okay,
compiler
one second.
compliance level.
Oh, 1 second, sir. It's
Opposite.
went.
No, compiler compliance level is there, right?
Compiler executive. So the screen actually I need to minimize. Yeah,
And
here.
yeah,
So
that
I
one.
could not see. Now only I can see, sir.
Oh, okay. Click on that.
Okay.
Here only 18 is displayed. Why 23 is not coming? Okay, select 1.8. Okay, and here in the next drop down, 18 is there, right? 18 or 1.8.
Yeah.
That one. Click that.
This one also.
Why 23, 24 is not coming? TDK. Review future. Class compatibility. Path. Click on this Java build path.
Java build path.
Link, right side. There is a link, right? In this window. 1.8.
Here only I can see. Okay.
No, they are above. There is say that Java, Java build path link is there, right? Click that.
Okay. Currently display page contain invalid values. So something.
Okay, click OK. Project specific settings. No, it's better to do one thing. You install latest Eclipse, no? It is old 22.9, right?
Okay.
So
So
you
I fully delete and
no need.
again.
Don't worry about this version.
Okay.
Leave it. Download that latest Eclipse version and install it.
Okay.
Okay. From the
Yeah,
beginning,
okay, sir.
create a new project and then see that. We'll
Okay.
see that.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. I'm sharing my screen. 1 minute.
Yeah, yes, Deepa. Yeah, you're getting it. Good. So then your project is working fine, right? Java project. Hello, Deepa?
Sorry, sir. I'm mute.
Okay.
Yeah, Java project is working, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Just
And
let's
yeah,
Sumati,
Yeah, yes, sir.
is it running? Your project?
No, sir. Same. Some different
No.
error.
Share me the screen quickly.
Yeah, okay.
See, to avoid, right, any, what is that, version, right, incompatible issues, right, it's better you take latest version of Eclipse and latest version of Java. So it will
Okay.
avoid if any issues you are facing launching. Yeah, here also there is no Java. Okay, click OK on this dialog box. Where is your project? This one, right? Test project.
Yeah.
Click on that. There is no JRE system, right? There is
Yeah,
no.
JRE and also missing the library one.
Yeah, that is okay. You first do one thing. Right click on that project. Go to Java compiler
Java compiler.
and go to that project and select properties window.
Okay. So the same thing, sir, the environment
No,
variable.
no, Sumati. In that Eclipse,
Okay.
right? In the Eclipse,
Yeah.
right click on the test project.
Okay.
Yeah, properties, select properties.
Okay.
Now Java compiler. Oh yeah, here also we have same problem, I guess. Okay. Unselect this checkbox, second checkbox.
That one is actually
No, second
okay.
one. Yeah. Now click on this drop down 1.8. You also have
1.8.
only 1.8. Okay. What is the version of this one? Eclipse, and what is the Java version you have installed?
I'm not sure, sir. So
Okay,
I took
go
a
to C drive.
screenshot and
Go to C
CMD.
drive.
Can I check the CMD, sir? Yeah, I have it.
Yeah, you can check it here. Are you getting 23 version you are getting Java 23? Okay, then fine. Then why it is not listed here? Okay, 1 second. Maybe path is missing. Huh? Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
You go to that C drive.
I think it's not created the class. Go to the SRA under the go to new classes. Select close that everything first.
So you mean the old one?
No. Inside Selenium class is created.
Yeah,
So
you're
this
creating
is
Selenium
this one, and
classes.
can I click the cancel everything here? This page?
Yes.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
cancel that. First, right, see,
Okay.
GRE library is not added. Java library is not added to this project. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so that is the main first problem. So first we have to fix that problem.
Okay.
So for that, okay, go to environment variables. Go to start and select clear, enter env.
So here, okay.
Yeah, go to Windows Start env.
Okay.
Edit system environment variables.
Okay.
Environment variables.
Okay.
Second drop down, click on path. Edit. Okay, see that here it is added
We need to
JDK.
select
1 second.
this one, sir. The last time we played this one.
So we
But-
added this one.
Okay.
Okay. Correct. 2023 is added. One second.
Okay.
C program files, Oracle, Java path. Common files, Oracle, Java path. Bin. Okay. Okay. Close that. You have this one. Java is fine. Now open Eclipse. Close that and open Eclipse. Okay.
Can I
Click
say
OK.
okay?
Okay. All are way. Okay. Here also click OK.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can do one thing. We'll try to add that one library. Is it available or not? We can see, go to right click
Okay.
again on that project. Click on right click project, test project. Select properties.
With one. Okay.
Yeah. Now here, 1 second. Java build path. Click on Java build path. Yeah. Select here this JRE system library unbounded. Edit. Click edit. Click edit. Edit button. Right side.
Yeah, it's not working. Looks like. Yeah,
No.
I'm clicking and
Oh, it's not opening anything.
yeah, not
Okay.
working, sir.
Okay, click remove. That also not working.
Go to in corner side, akka. Click edit or remove.
The right side, there is a two buttons, right? Edit and remove
Yeah.
buttons. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Click the second button. Available JREs are third option. Select third one.
Work with.
Yeah, third one. Workspace. Yeah. JDK 23.
Okay.
Finish.
Uh,
Finish.
So
Okay.
now I think
Yeah.
added.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to that Java compiler.
Java compiler. Okay.
Apply.
Mm.
Now here select 23 is there. Check that in the drop down. 180 drop down.
Again,
Not.
same the 18 and yeah.
Why it's not still not showing? Okay, now okay, fine. Here Java it is added. JRE system library is added to your
Okay.
project. Okay, click OK,
Okay.
apply, and close it.
Mm.
Oh,
So I can go to
1 second,
close.
1 second,
Okay.
1 second. There is any default 23 is taken.
Mm.
Now remove this use release option. Unselect the checkbox.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, wait 1 second.
Mm.
Under Java build path. Okay. Use default to compilation. Hmm. Okay. When selecting 18 complaints, make sure to have a compatible GRE installed and activated. Click on this installed GREs in the last line.
This one, sir.
JDK 23, it is fine. Okay, apply, close, apply and close.
So, okay.
And next Java build path. Click on execution environments, next link, the next link. Installed GREs, you click it right now. Below that, in the last
okay.
line, execution
Sorry.
environments.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
Yes.
click that. Only here you have only 18.
18 and yeah.
Why 23 is not coming?
Better you uninstall and install. That is good. Sometimes it's that getting error for that open sources. I have tried multiple times in my clips. That's a problem.
Now, how to add new execution environment? We should be able to add it, right? No?
Yeah, be able to add the new execution. First you uninstall and install. That will do. I'll help you that Sumati later on.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. So I will do it once the
Okay.
class done. After I will do it with the
Okay,
help,
fine.
taking help, Deepa. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Sumati, fine. Okay, just make sure.
Yeah.
Anant Lakshmi, where are you now? Is it working? What is your status?
I'm able to open the Eclipse, but
Same problem?
same. I'm a package express there, but nothing is running.
No, that JRE is added, JRE system libraries.
That's why I just want to check with you whether I have installed everything properly.
But are you able to share me now?
One second, I'll just check. Shaz.
Can you share me, or you have an issue or facing issue?
Yeah, when I try to share, it's throwing like.
Okay. Fine. Okay, Deepa, then we'll do one thing. Fine, let us proceed with the next Selenium script creation. Okay. And then maybe let us try yourself, Anantalakshmi, today and Sumati. And right, if you get any
Yes, sir.
still that issue is not resolved, we will see that. Okay. Now let
Okay.
us proceed with the Selenium script creation process.
Okay.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Yeah, okay. So here we created simple Java program and it is working good, right? Now remove this Java step. See, now we downloaded, these are all the files we downloaded, right? Java installed, Eclipse is installed. Next, we downloaded Java libraries, Selenium server, and browser, Chrome driver we downloaded. Okay. So now we need to add these two files to Java project. Okay, let us see that first. I will show you. Right click on your project, go to properties, Java build path, and here you can add your click on this libraries tab. Now select class path. Now click here, add external jars. Are you getting? See, we already downloaded these two files, libraries, Java libraries and Selenium server into this folder where I downloaded inside dependencies folder. Is it right? Inside Selenium folder, I moved downloaded files. Where is this one? Selenium dependencies folder. I moved it here. Okay, guys. So you also moved all your Java libraries into dependencies folder and also Selenium server file also moved here. So it is 4.16.1 Selenium server. Where is my latest Selenium server? It is 4.16. 4.31 is the latest one, right? Just wait. Yeah, this one. I will be moving here. See, I'm moving here, Control X. I'm moving this file to here. Okay, I can remove all old versions not required. I will remove it. No need, no problem. You can keep this one. But anyway, we are going to add this Selenium server file to this Java project. Okay, just keep this path, copy this path, Control C. Go to this Eclipse project. Select here class path in the libraries tab. Now click on this add external jars. Now select here, paste this dependencies folder. Now 4.31 here, see that I am selecting this file. It is the latest Selenium server file we downloaded and I am selecting this file. I'm adding that file to this libraries list. First, you add this Selenium server first. After adding this file, now again select a class path. Now again click this add external jars. So this time inside Selenium, inside this dependencies folder, I want to add all Java libraries. Okay, where is this Java libraries? I think so not moved it from my downloads folder. I will move it in the downloads folder. See, this is the Selenium Java, right? Selenium Java 4.31. Let me check, is it there already available? 4.31, not there, okay? That folder is not there. So I'm copying it here. See now, this folder contains all Java jar files, dependent jar files. So now we need to add all these jar files to our project. So again, select here class path, click on this add external jars. Now select 4.31, this one. Now select all files, Control A. Now click open. That's all. Okay, guys. So that's all. So these are the two prerequisites you should have to do. Okay, Deepa, have you added?
I'm trying, sir, but my library is offline.
Offline, library is offline. Why?
Yeah, I'm
In the
thinking.
properties, share me your screen.
Yeah, one second, sir. Just I'm listening your conversation. That's why I didn't try anything in my Eclipse.
Yeah, okay. Do that.
Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes. Right click, properties. Yeah, this is the libraries path. Click
Yeah.
on add external jars. Second button, right. Now select Selenium server file where you have placed that file.
That one, sir.
4.31. Selenium server 4.31, latest one.
Latest one.
Have you downloaded the latest file?
Yeah, latest one. One second, sir. I'm checking. Long back. I'm Selenium Joe.
4. Okay, copy this file, no problem. Select that file, 4.28.1. I think it is already available in that folder. Not from here, not from downloads folder.
No. I'm thinking. No, sorry.
Yeah,
Windows
here.
C.
Yeah, Selenium. You are already in the Selenium folder.
Yeah.
No, it's gone. No, not that one now. You are not in Selenium folder now. I think it is in C drive. In the left side, you can see that Selenium folder. See that?
Here, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, here see that 4.28 is there. Selenium server, not that file. Selenium server.
Server.
Not this one.
Give me time. I'm checking.
No. These are all, I think so. It looks like a Java dependence files. Okay, you go
Yeah.
to that folder, Selenium folder. Open Selenium folder. Yeah. 1 second. Here, right? I think so. These are all dependency files. I think so. Not a Selenium server file is available here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do one thing. You can rename that folder name as Selenium underscore libraries or Java libraries. You can rename it. Or inside Selenium, you can move all these files into a Java lib folder. Under Selenium, go to Selenium folder.
Yeah. This one.
Otherwise, we'll do one thing. It's better to download latest Java libraries and Selenium server file. Deepa, you go to Selenium download page.
1 second.
Downloads.
The latest one I have.
Yeah,
That
this
one.
one
Yeah.
4.31. That download that, and one more Selenium server also have to download. Click that link, it will download, right? Right. No. You click on 4.31. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
downloading. Scroll down. Server, Selenium server as well should be downloaded. Yeah, this
Yeah.
one
Yeah. This one I'm trying.
4.31. Click that link,
4.3.
it will download. Yeah, now go to your downloads folder.
This one.
Yeah, copy both the files, Selenium server and zip file both. Copy both. You have to.
And zipper.
No, first one is not zip file. Leave it.
Oh,
This one is zip file. Unzip that file. extract all. Okay. Now what you have to do inside Selenium, see Selenium folder you have to select.
Selenium folder.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, yes. Select that and click select folder. Okay. Click select folder.
Extract?
Extract. So now it will be extracted inside a Selenium folder.
Okay.
Now you have to copy that Selenium server file, first file. Copy that file.
One
You have to
second.
move that file into this folder, right? Copy that file.
Yeah. What happens? Done?
Oh, no. It's not properly downloaded. Okay, do one thing. You will remove all the files from Selenium folder first.
This one.
Yeah. Remove everything. No, not that folder. Inside that folder, files.
No, I didn't get your point. What happened?
No. Open Selenium folder.
Okay.
Delete all these files.
Okay.
Control E and delete. Now go to downloads folder. Now
Yeah.
click unzip. Extract all. Yeah, wait. Okay, click extract. Simply click extract.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now.
go back, downloads.
Okay.
Yeah, here you copy that first and third files. Cut, you can
This
move
one.
first and third. Second one not
First one.
required. First and
First and
third file.
can I cut?
No, not only one file. That folder as well. Third folder as well.
Okay.
Both. Press control key and select both. You
Can
selected
I
both,
cut?
right? Yeah, cut
தீபா
it.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபைலும் தேர்ட் ஃபைலும் செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ கண்ட்ரோல் இது பண்ணிக்கோ செலக்ட் ஜஸ்ட்
Yeah.
செலக்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட் ஃபைல்
Yeah.
Yeah. Cut it. Right
Okay.
click and cut. And now go to Selenium folder and paste it there.
But why it is not delete?
No, it won't delete now. You go to Selenium folder.
In Windows C?
Control, you can go back. Okay. Yeah. Click, open that. Now paste it here. Okay, done. Now go to Eclipse. Now,
Can I close this one?
yeah, select first Selenium 4.31.0 file, first file.
This one?
Second one, sorry, file.
Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Open.
open that. Yeah, now click again, select class path again.
Okay.
Now click add external jars. No, second button.
This
Now,
one?
no, select first folder. Open that. Control A. No. You selected only one file.
Yeah. I'm delete this one.
Yeah, remove that file. Now select class path. Click add X. Yeah. Now select all. Control A.
Yeah. Why it's not selected?
No, click it. Yeah, that's it. Open. Apply and
Apply?
close. Apply and close. It's done. Now.
Yeah.
Okay.
But, but why it is not coming Selenium?
No. In the left side. Expand the test project.
Okay, I got it.
Reference libraries.
Yes, I got it.
Now you got right everything. Okay, done.
Yeah.
So this is the prerequisite. Okay, before starting any Selenium, right? This is the Selenium project setup. So first we have to
Okay.
create a Java project, and then you should add your uh, JRE system library. It is mandatory. And then you should add Selenium server file and all Java dependent libraries, jar files should be added to Java build path folder. Okay.
Yeah. Can I stop the sharing?
Yeah. Okay. So once you done this, right, see here, you got all this Java libraries and Selenium server file should be available in the project. Okay. It is already added Selenium server 4.31.0 jar file. So now we can write our Selenium script. See our Selenium script, right? This is the first simple program we are going to write. First, we have to declare one variable inside our class file. Inside the class, not inside main method. Okay. See, we are going to declare one variable. Driver is the variable name. And this driver variable is what type of variable it is? WebDriver type variable. Got it? So here, first we have to declare a variable with the name driver, or any name you can use. That is not an issue. Or I can simply give WD like a WebDriver. Any name you can use the variable name. And what type of variable it is? It is a WebDriver variable. Okay, WebDriver. Sorry, it should be declared in outside of the main method, not inside method. So inside the class, but outside of main method, we should declare this variable. And this variable is static variable. Static variable. Why it should be declared as a static variable? We are going to use this variable inside main method. Okay. So in Java, you can use only static variables inside the static method. See, this main method is a static method. Okay. So I want to use this instance. This variable is called instance variable. And I want to use this I want to use this variable inside this static method. So if you don't define this variable as a static, we can't use this variable inside this static main method. It won't accept. Okay. So that's why only static variables can be accessed or can be used inside static methods in Java. So that's why we are defining this variable as a static. Okay. So what is static? I will explain later. Okay. Don't worry about that. So what is this WebDriver? It is a predefined interface, I can say, or class. It is defined inside our Selenium server. Okay, here inside our Selenium server file, it is predefined one. So I want to use that WebDriver object. I want to create a WebDriver object for this class. Then I want to use that WebDriver to write my Selenium script. So this WebDriver contains API commands to automate our browser. You got it? Inside this WebDriver class, all the methods or all the API commands are defined, which are required to automate your browser. So using to access those commands, API commands or methods, whatever you call it, okay, we have to declare one variable of type WebDriver, and this WebDriver class is already predefined inside this Selenium server file. Okay, jar file. We no need to worry about that. Okay, so it is a predefined one as part of Selenium WebDriver jar file that we downloaded and attached associated to this project. Okay, so see now it is showing error. Is it right? It is showing error now. So that means this class is not found. That's why it is showing error. See that WebDriver cannot be resolved. What is this WebDriver? It is not able to identify this WebDriver. What is this? So for that, see what we are doing now here. See that import. See, it is automatically suggesting you have to import this class from this jar file. which is already added to our project. So that jar file is available in this path. See here, org.openqa.selenium. So select this, click this link. See that it is adding this statement. I think so. I have not added in my. It is added, right? O.selenium server. O.31. Okay. Control S. Why it is showing error? O.30. Why it is? Okay, got it. I will remove this, not required. Remove this, delete. Yeah. See, if you have, see, this file is if it is created, you can also remove that file. Okay. Now that error is gone. Now see that. See this one. What is this import statement in Java? We are importing this class. This class is defined already in one jar file. Okay. That we already added to this project. So from that jar file, I want to import this class. And this for this class, I'm defining one variable. See, inside this class, there are multiple methods are defined. Understand? Methods means actions, I can say. Okay. Different multiple actions are defined right in the form of methods inside this class. So by using those methods, we can automate our user actions on the browser. You understand? That means to access those methods from this class, what we need to do? We need to define one variable for this class of type WebDriver. Now this is the variable. Okay. So this is just a variable now. There is nothing is assigned to this variable. It is empty variable now. Okay. Now inside this main method. Okay. So now we are going to write here, say that driver equal to new Chrome driver. Driver equal to new Chrome driver statement. See what it will do, this statement. If I write this statement here inside the main method, see here it is not driver, WD. Okay, I will use here WD, web driver variable name. WD equal to new Chrome driver. See what we are doing to this WebDriver variable. I am assigning here Chrome driver object. See what this statement will do. It will create Chrome driver object. It will create a Chrome driver object. And that Chrome driver object is assigned to this variable. See what is this Chrome driver? See, Chrome driver means we discussed, right? There is one driver for each browser. Is it right? Suppose if you are using Firefox browser, then you should write here Firefox driver. Okay, suppose if you are using Edge driver, then it should be Edge driver. So like that depends upon the browser, okay, that you are using to test your application. You should define this statement accordingly. So here I want to use Chrome browser. So here I am creating here Chrome driver object for the Chrome browser. You understand? And that Chrome driver is assigned to this variable now. So this Chrome driver object is created in this statement using a new keyword in Java. We are creating an object. What type of object we are creating? Chrome driver object we are creating. So what is this Chrome driver? It is also a class, and this WebDriver is an interface and it is a class. These are all Java concepts. Don't worry if you are new to this. It is interface and it is a class. Don't worry. So class is nothing but, right? For example, see that how to make you easily understand. Suppose if I take a mobile, if I say that mobile is a class. And if I say iPhone is a object. So mobile is a class and iPhone is an object. Are you getting the difference between iPhone and mobile? So iPhone is a mobile, you understand, but every mobile is not iPhone, right? That means mobile is a type. It defines type or template, we can say. It defines a template for all objects. That means the mobile defines some features and some characteristics of each mobile. For all mobiles, there may be some common set of features and there may be some common set of properties. Is it right? So these common set of properties and features will be defined in the mobile class. So that is called class. So the class defines a template for all objects. That template defines some set of properties and some set of features, or we can say that operations that we can perform on that particular class. So those operations are called methods in Java. So if I want to say that in Java terms, mobile is a class and mobile properties are called variables and mobile operations are called methods. That's how, right, we can relate the Java class with the real-time example, real-time mode example. So now iPhone, I said that it is an object. Why I said that iPhone is an object? iPhone is right one thing, okay, one item. It matches its properties and its operations are matching with mobile properties and mobile features. So that's why we call this iPhone is a mobile. Is it right? Because this iPhone properties and features are matching with mobile properties and features. Is it right? That's why it is a mobile. iPhone is a mobile. See here in the class, we define some common set of properties and features. But this iPhone may have some additional properties and methods, operations as well. Not only the properties and operations which are defined inside the mobile class. Apart from these common properties and operations, iPhone may support some other additional properties and operations as well. So that is called object. So object can be defined like this. Object is an instance of class. All of it clear? So the class is a template which defines some set of properties and methods, or we can call it as operations. And object is an instance of class. So the real-time examples, we can say that mobile or any specific mobile, we can say that that is an object. Mobile is a generic class. Now I think you got an idea what is the class. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, you got the concept right. What is a class and object in Java? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So that means right in the real world, right? If you take right anything right in Java program, every program should be written in the form of class. And inside the class, you should define variables and methods. So every class, right, should okay, it will match with some real-time, right, world class, generic class, mobile example, mobile. See, for this class, we can define object. See, for example, if I see here, Chrome driver is a class. This class is already predefined inside our jar files, Selenium jar files. So for this jar file, what this new statement will do, it will create an object variable. It will create an object. See, now class is a logical thing. There is nothing exist in the class. Only properties and features are defined in the class. There is nothing exist. But when you create an object of that for that class, then what is happening? One instance is creating. We are creating one instance of that class that is called object. So here using new keyword in Java, we can create object instance for any class. So for this Chrome driver class, now we are creating object instance and that object we are assigning to this variable WD. So now this variable contains Chrome driver object. See in this statement in line number 7, this WD is empty. There is nothing is assigned. All of you getting? But once you run this line number 10, what will happen? To this variable, Chrome driver object will be assigned. Okay, that's what will happen when you run this statement. So now once this Chrome driver object is created and assigned to this variable, now you can access all the features or methods of this Chrome driver class using this variable. See, inside this Chrome driver class, there might be some set of methods defined, predefined. Understand? To execute Chrome browser. To execute user actions on Chrome browser, there are some set of methods predefined. And those methods we can access by using this variable. So to access those methods, we are creating this object here. So first we're creating object, Chrome driver object, and that Chrome driver object is assigned to this variable. Now using this variable, now you can access Chrome driver methods to perform user actions. See, now my first user action is, sorry, my first user action is open. I want to launch Chrome driver, Chrome browser. See that is a statement. Get driver dot get is the method. See, using this WD variable, see that I will copy this. WD is the Chrome driver object. See, now this variable refers Chrome driver object. Okay. So using this Chrome driver object dot get is a method. What it will do? It will launch this Chrome browser and it will navigate to this URL. I want to navigate to this URL on Chrome browser. That's what it will do. Now see that. That's all. I will run only these two steps now. Okay. First step, what we are doing? We are creating, we are creating Chrome driver object, and that object is assigned to this variable. So this variable is declared outside of this method. Okay, main method and inside the class. See, if I declare any variable outside of all the methods, so this variable can be used inside all methods. Suppose if I declare this variable inside this main method, what will happen? That variable can be used only inside this method. We can't use it in another method, other methods. So that's why I'm defining here. I'm declaring this variable outside of all the methods because I want to use this variable in all my methods that I'm going to define inside this class. Okay, so this Hello.
Now clear, sir.
Yeah, hi. Now, am I audible?
Yeah, now
Yes,
it's
sir.
audible.
Now audible, sir.
Yeah. My network is down. It is reconnected. Yeah,
Yeah, no
yes.
problem.
So let me share my screen. Yeah, okay. Now you can see that now it is running good, but it's showing some error. Why it is this? Let me look. You will see that error. I'm running this program now again. Okay, it is launching the browser and see that it is navigating to this specific URL. Now you got it. Now it is running, working good. Okay. So these two statements are working good properly, perfectly. So this is the beginning of Selenium. See, that means how you automate user actions on the browser. So first we are creating that browser driver object and using that browser driver object. So inside this browser driver class, there are predefined methods are already available. So by using those methods, we can automate any user action on the browser. So only thing is we should know that what method we should use for different user actions to automate. So that is what now we are going to learn one by one. How to write interact with the different types of web elements on the web page. Okay. How to do validations on the web page. All those things we will see one by one. So this is the first Selenium script, how to create. So you can try it now. And if you get any issues, we can see. Just Deepa, can you try this?
Yes, sir. Give me a minute, sir. I'm trying to my necklace. Next,
But Sumati and Anantalakshmi, you also please make sure that before next session, your Eclipse is working good. Okay. And you
Yeah.
also
Yes, sir.
completed this small program. Okay.
Yeah,
If you
sir.
Okay.
have any issues right in this program, before the session, we can connect. Okay. Before starting our session,
Yeah.
maybe half an hour before we can connect and we can look into issues if you are facing anything. Okay.
Yeah, today
Okay.
itself we will fix this, sir.
Yeah. That's what, in case if you are facing any issues, then we can connect
We will
half an
keep
hour
you
before.
posted. Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. And also, right, I will share you the document. Okay. I have the document right now. I didn't share you. I will,
Okay.
don't worry. You no need to make a note anything. I will have proper detailed document with all the steps. I will share with you this document. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Sir, I'll create
So only
a
thing
shared
I want
drive.
you, yeah.
I'll create a shared drive between all of
Mm,
us.
mm.
So for any
Okay.
documents that it is, you can post it there. It will be shared with everyone.
Okay, that's good, Priya. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And right, I want you right to do more hands-on practice. Okay, that's what I want you. That's how you can learn it hands-on. Otherwise, right, simply if you see my demo, what I'm doing in my system, and if you don't do that hands-on, really it won't help anything. Okay. So that's why I want these sessions, right, purely hands-on practical sessions. It's not like a classroom teaching sessions. So I will be just simply giving you the instructions that you have to follow and you have to do hands-on. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And if you have any doubts, right, in Java programming concepts, you can ask me that. I will try to explain that what is that concept there and there. Or you also please try to learn the basics of Java, core Java that I listed here, the concepts that you should know. These are the concepts, the basic concepts you should know to work with
Okay.
right Selenium as well. And still, if you want to discuss or if you need any more clarifications on Java, maybe we can try to connect maybe 30 minutes before to discuss your Java clarifications if you have anything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I guess again I'm facing some network issue. Have you done this? Yeah.
Once I'm done, I'll share the screenshot in. Are you able to see my screen?
Sir, have created the share drive and added all you people. So once you post the materials, it will be visible for everyone. Can you hear me, sir? Can others hear me?
Yes, Priya, we
Yeah,
can
yeah.
hear you.
Okay. Maybe sir is having some network issue.
Sir?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Now only you're audible, sir.
Okay. Yes, Deepa, you have any issues?
Sir.
Is it
One
working
second.
or any issue you are facing?
1 second, sir. I couldn't try the package. I tried to package, but it is not showing my class.
No,
Could you
share
tell
me
me?
your screen.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you have not created package. Maybe it is taking default package. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Actually, first we have to create a package and then you have to create a class. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
Yeah, we can see
Okay.
inside SRC, select SRC folder.
Yeah.
Now right click and create new package. Now give any name, package name. Yeah, finish. Now you can move that file, Java file into this class, into this package. Or you can cut and paste it, or you can move it, I think so. No, you created package inside SRC, right?
Yeah.
No, minimize default package. I think so it is created inside default package. Minimize that. Yeah, okay, then that's good. Training is
Okay.
inside SRC. Okay. Now move that file into training package from default. Drag
Oh,
and drop.
totally.
You select that
Yeah.
hello world.java. No, yeah, here. Click on that. Now drag and drop.
Yeah.
No, drag means just press left key and keep press left key on the mouse and move it.
Yeah, I'll try.
You're not able to drag it. Yeah. Select that file. Yeah. Now are you able to drag that file? Yeah. Leave that on training folder. Yes. Release the mouse on training folder.
Why it's not coming?
It's not coming. Now. Okay. Done.
Yeah, good.
Now you got it, right? Yeah.
Yes.
What's that? Static. Yes, small letter.
Sorry, yes. Yes, small letter.
Yeah, small letter. So in Java, it is very important. Even if you define any variable with a capital letter or small letter, you should use same thing wherever you are using that variable. Okay. See, web should be capital letter. D should be capital letter in the web driver. We have to remember these things. Okay. Web driver W and D should be capital. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now web driver, see that import. Click on that import statement. Yes, done. So that class is imported. Yeah. Now, no. You have to declare this variable outside of main method, not inside main method. Cut and paste that statement outside.
Sorry. 1 second, sir.
Cut and paste that line number 8.
Okay.
Cut that statement and paste it in on line number 6.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That means that's where this variable should be declared inside the class, but not inside the method. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So now write 2 steps inside the main method. First
Okay.
method wd equal to,
Yeah. Done.
first step wd equal to
Equal to new Chrome driver,
new
right?
Chrome driver, C caps D caps again,
Okay.
Chrome driver. empty brackets. Yeah, semicolon. It is mandatory. Now see, Chrome driver is showing error. So we have to import another class, Chrome driver class. See that there is import. Yeah, that is also imported. Now write wd dot next step. So this statement, okay, will create Chrome driver object and it will launch the browser also. Now wd dot get. See, there is a get method here.
Yeah.
Okay, and select get method and input that URL. I will ping you that URL. You can use any URL, not a problem. Any URL you can give. It should launch that URL.
Okay. Can you?
Any URL.
Can you? Okay, I'm
Okay,
already.
I'm
Yeah.
giving this URL in the chat. Okay.
No, I'm already used that. That one. Is it okay? This one.
Yeah, you can
Sir.
use this. No, not this one.
Like a Facebook kind of.
Yeah, gmail.com. You can give that.
Yeah,
Copy that
gmail.com.
gmail.com. Any
Okay.
URL. In brackets, inside bracket, within the brackets. Get, open bracket, open, yeah, double quotes. Within the double quotes, you have to define that URL. No, not this one.
For Gmail or Facebook.
Gmail.com you have defined, right, in your script. See that. Double quotes.
Yeah.
Yeah, semicolon.
1 second, sir.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
daughter,
Okay, cool.
my daughter is crying. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, now run. That's all. Save it and run that script.
Why it is not running
No,
testing?
click run button. Click run button, right? There is a run button, right?
I will
The
show off.
project
Okay.
under the first one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, it is not coming data.
Wait. It should open URL. Go to Eclipse. Is that execution stopped or over? Okay. You give HTTPS before www.
Oh,
Give HTTPS colon //
yeah.
colon, not semicolon, colon // forward slash. Yeah.
Oh,
Slash, not
no.
backslash. Forward slash.
Forward slash. Why it's not coming? Where is that forward slash?
In the numeric lock. Maybe, yeah, that one. Right. Now run. It should run.
Yeah, good.
Okay, good.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Stop sharing.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay, Anant Lakshmi and Sumati, you please try that. Okay.
Yeah,
And if
sure.
you are not able, still if you are facing any issue, before half an hour we will connect, okay, to check
Yeah,
your
sure.
issues.
Yeah.
Okay.
And right, I will share you this document, okay, Selenium document and core Java document also. I will place it in the common shared drive. You
Yeah.
can access it and you can go through that document. And if you have any, you can go through the right document, those topics what we covered in our sessions. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I will send
And
the recording, sir.
Yeah. Recording also can
yeah,
place
yeah,
it.
that
Or
also I'll download and I'll share it in the drive every day.
okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay, fine. So that's it for today's session. And I hope you are able to follow me. And if you have any difficulty, right, to follow my right any in the sessions, please stop me there. Okay, don't
sure,
hesitate
sure.
anything. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Thank you,
guys,
sir.
that's it. Yeah,
Thank you for your
Okay,
time.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, participants. So we can update
Thank
the
you.
group about the next class.
Okay.
Yeah, sure,
Okay,
sure.
ma'am.
Priya, and one more quick question. So, any saving account, do you have the options? Because we are sending via Remitly, so that's why asking.
Sorry.
Any other option to not a current account like a saving?
Okay. I will check with Prasad sir and I'll get back to
Yeah,
you.
sure, sure, sure. It will help, Priya.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
yeah.
all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.